Yo, 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 yo. What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Young D right here. Welcome back to another episode of Young D's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. If you're already subscribed, much thanks. Alright guys, as you can see from my thumbnail, right? Today I'll be showing you how to prepare a very delicious pot roast beef. So just kick back and relax. I'll be back right after the break. Welcome back guys. As I was saying, today I'll be preparing a very delicious pot roast beef, right? So right here I have 1.43 kgs of sirloin tip roast, right? Also I have some seasoning that I went ahead and minced off camera just to make the video a little shorter, right? Right here I have some Scotch bonnet pepper, some rosemary, some thyme, some scallion, and some onion, right? Also I have my herbs and spices I'm going to use. So let's get started. First I'm going to start by washing my beef, right? And I'm actually using a lemon, right? Just to cut some of that raw scent out. Rinse again. Alright guys, before I start my seasoning process, right, I'm just gonna go ahead and start poking some holes inside the beef, right, just to make the season soak inside the meat a little faster. Alright. Just poke some hole to make the season soak straight through the meat, right? Alright, that must be good. First I'm gonna start by adding half tablespoon black pepper. Also gonna add half tablespoon of paprika. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of spicy steak seasoning. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Also gonna add 2 tablespoons of Maggi food flavor seasoning. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Also gonna add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my natural seasoning, right? Also gonna add a 1/4 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to go ahead and rub the seasoning inside my meat. And guys, this is smelling really delicious, trust me. The aroma coming from this meat right now is just unbelievable. Alright guys, I'm just going to leave it to sit and marinate for about an hour before I start the cooking process. First I'm going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Just gonna leave it to hot a bit. Alright guys, now that my oil is hot, right, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my roast beef now, right? But guys, before adding the beef to the pot, right, just go ahead and scrape that excess of minced season off, right? Reason being is to avoid it from tasting burn when it's finished, right? Because you don't want that season to burn in the oil meanwhile it's roasting. That's not a good taste, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my beef. Cover it and let it sweat, right? It actually gonna spring some water, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wait till that water dry back down and it start to fry again before flipping that beef, right? Alright guys, so now that the first water dry out, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and flip the beef. Wow, looking nice, right? Look here, look at this. Wow, this looks good, trust me. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and add some water. Cover it. Alright guys, you're just going to repeat the process, right? Each time it dry down, you flip it and add water. Dry down, flip it, add water until it's complete, right? All you're going to know it's complete, right, is when you take the fork and you poke it and the fork goes straight through it without any resistance, right? That's when you know the meat is complete. Alright guys, after cooking for over an hour, this is what my pot roast is looking like now, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and test it. Alright, it's cooked, right? So I'm just going to take it out right now. Alright guys, so for my gravy, right, I'm just going to go ahead and add the remaining of season inside the pot. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Alright, I'm just going to leave it to boil until it becomes thick. I turn it off. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and carve a couple pieces and show you what it's looking like inside. Look at it. Nice, right? Beautiful. Alright, so I'm just going to present you the finishing product right off of this. Alright guys, this is the finishing product of my roast beef. Oh look. Look delicious, right? tastes delicious too. I wish y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Alright guys, I'm actually serving it with some coconut rice, right? Some garden salad and some mixed vegetable. Nice. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little taste test for y'all, right? Hold on. Coconut rice, bad. Coconut rice, bad guys, trust me. Alright, let me try the beef now. Guys, this beef is bursting with so much flavor, it's unbelievable, trust me. Martin, yo, it's bad. It's bad, trust me, it's bad. Yeah, but I'll finish this, so next time. Take care. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Just hit that notification bell below to keep up to date with all the latest videos each and every week. So until then, take care. I'm out.